It's Fiona Fernandez from Piedmont, and I went on stage last weekend, which is a big on-stage event with Stampin' Up, where they recognise people for their achievements and all that sort of thing, and show new products. So we get to purchase early when we go to that, and so I didn't get a lot, but I got a few things, so I'm going to show you. There's my details. You can go to the website, and that has all the detail about me, as well as the shop, the join, events, everything I do for Stampin' Up with Stampin' Up products. And that's how to find me. So I'll just open this. Now I'm on a different table, not on my desk today. Down on my little table where I dumped the box. So I'm using my old stand, so I hope I don't bump that. It's a bit rickety, my old stand. I have a fixed one on the table now on my desk, which is very handy. This one's not too bad occasionally. So we've got our air to pack it all in nicely. It doesn't get all mucked up. Now, the ink pads, so these are the new in colours. I've got the markers, so I can show you all the in colours. So this is 20, 25 to 27 in colours. And here they all are, look. That's what they look like. And they don't have the cloud cover, I think it's called cloud cover. But they've got Secret Sea, which is the dark one here. And then we've got Darling Duckling, a lovely yellowy colour. I did get the cardstock as well. Strawberry Slush, that's my favourite. So I did put a post up the other day saying, what's your favourite in colour? Because I did an unboxing. Timid Tiger. And then we've got the other one. So let me just open this in 2 seconds. Just got to work out how to open it. There's a little thing in there. Can't quite get it with my fingernail. My fingernail's been breaking a bit this week. I'll get some. I can't get into that. Hang on 2 seconds. I'll come over here in the light. It's just a bit stiff. Right, you've just got to get in and get that little tag out. There's the, what's it called? Cloud cover. That's the other one. They had trouble with the ink shifting, so they're not putting that one out in the ink pad yet, but you can get it in the markers. I always like to get the markers, and you can use the markers the same way as you use your ink pads on your stamps. So you can use the markers to colour in bits of your stamps. Now, I got a few odds and ends. I got the gold striped ribbon because I love it. This actually matches another set though, so I didn't get the whole set for the other one. So this comes out of, you're going to ask me where it comes from. Hang on, let me get my catalogue. Actually, I think it's going to be an online exclusive. So there's new online exclusives coming. And I can't think off the top of my head what it is. It's got glasses in it and like cocktail sort of feel to it. And it's about celebrating. Just my memory. That's the ribbon out of it anyway. It's gorgeous. I love it. That'll make really nice bows too, look. Let's make a bow quickly. I really like this size ribbon. So the cards I made in my live on Wednesday, I did 2 bows in different ribbons, but they were similar size to this. It's a 1 centimetre width, I think. Let's have a look. 1 centimetre width. Yeah, I really like that size. So that's a gorgeous ribbon. Goes with lots of things, so that will be fun. I did get the Notes and Totes set. So this comes with its own dies. And they showed us this at On Stage. Some lovely samples that people make. So I will be getting into this one soon. But check this out. Here's the dies. So if you're a demonstrator already, you can see things that they made in the demonstrator Facebook group. And see this little one here? That's a little tote bag, little handle, and there's other little bits and pieces you can use on your tote bags and to make things. You've got hearts, little bottles, water bottle. They're cute. They made some gorgeous little things. And then you've got the sending warm wishes, relax and enjoy. You've got all the little background stamps. So nice little bundle that was. Lots of little ideas I saw. So that will be coming out in, let me think. So the new catalogue, I've got the new catalogue because I went to Onsted. And if you're a demonstrator, you'll get one with your next pre-order when you put your pre-order in. I can't open it on the video though because we're not allowed. Notes and totes, but that set is in this catalogue. So that starts in May. The starting date is the 6th of May for that catalogue. So if you're a customer, sorry, you'll have to wait till May, or you can join my team and get it before then. This one is the foiled frames and labels ephemera pack, and this was in the set. Oh, which one was this in? I think it was with the set with this. But again, it's not in front of me now. I'm just in the box now. These are the papers, the cardstock for the colours, in colours. Drop my scissors. Had a lot of road digging outside, and I think they must have just stopped for a morning tea break. So I thought, oh, good, quick, jump on now. Otherwise it was way too noisy out there. So there's the colours again. They're gorgeous. They're growing on me, you know. When I first saw them, I thought, not sure, but the more I look at them, yeah, I'm actually liking them, so that's good. So all the plus. What have we got in here? This is an embossing folder of the Pressed Flowers embossing folder. Oh, okay. So I think these little things, got that later. I think these ones go with this. So I got some stamps at On Stage, and this goes with that. Just a second. I can find it. I'll put it on my desk over here. So this was a whole set coming out, and I did the after hours crafting. So if you've seen any of my posts recently, you'll see a couple of cards made with this, but the dies look like that. I love these overly shaped ones, and that's the stamp set. So I got these to go with those. So I had the whole set. So this is an embossing folder. And if you know me, you know I love embossing folders. One of my favorite things. And it's one like that. It's gorgeous. It's a 2D, it's not a 3D. So that one, when you use it with your machine, you'll use it on just the normal embossing folder. Yeah, this goes with that collection. And I've decided to get some of this, because this looked interesting. Flower Garden Foils. Look at that. It's already embossed. Hang on, let me get out of the packet. Because it was embossed, I couldn't resist. I went, yes. That looks gorgeous. Let's have a look at this. So we've got some silver with the flowers on it, and then we've got silver with just that pattern. And then this one. So these will come out in online exclusives in May. Do you remember that? Because I saw them and I thought, oh, they look interesting. So you get one of each design there with the different colours. But I thought they will make really nice wedding cards too. I've been making a few more wedding cards lately to sell on my store. Now I've made a big mess on the desk, but you know how it goes. Always good to make a big mess. Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper. So this goes with a set that I already have that's available now. With the Happy Birthday. You know I can't see it because I'm on the iPad. I can't look it up. But I bought, so this one here goes with that as well. There's a big Happy Birthday celebration thing that's a scrapbooking kit. And this paper goes with it. So the good thing about these now, they've brought more scrapbooking kits out and they coordinate across with the other things. And you can use them for scrapbooking or card making, but they're making some specifically for scrapbooking kits. So this is the actual paper that goes with the collection in the catalogue we have now. Let me just find out. I can show you that. This one on the front. One of the mini catalogue, this set. So there's a whole collection you can get. Let me just find it. I can't remember what page it's on. I love this catalogue. It's so pretty. This one goes... Oh no, there's pictures of it early on, but then if you keep going to the collection section, you'll find the collection. So this is the current mini catalogue. If you need any catalogues, let me know. I'll be doing a mail out for the next one soon. If you don't have a demonstrator already, happy to do that. So this is called the Wildflower Birthday. And isn't that gorgeous? I want to make some of these cards. But then I realised I'd bought the kit for the scrapbooking thinking it had the same paper in it, but it doesn't. So it has some of the same papers, but it crosses over a little bit. And this one has the ones with the gold on it. So this has this paper in it. And then you can also buy a packet of it with the sticker paper. So, yeah, there's a few different variations. So it's something to keep an eye on if you're looking for them. And please reach out and ask if you need to. But I love that set. It looks so gorgeous. So I bought the paper. I already have the other one. And this one had this sheet in it as well with the die cuts. Look at that. And that's the sticker sheet. So you can buy the paper on its own, or you can buy the paper with the sticker sheet. Look at that. It's all got little gold bits on it. I love it. I thought, oh, I've got to get that to make my cards. Get on to it, Fiona. I might even do some Easter ones with this. Look at that. They're so pretty, and they're all double-sided. Look at the back of them. So pretty. I didn't show you the back of them all, did I? Here's the backs. Now let's go flip. So you get 2 of each sheet in these packets. And that, oh, that one's even got the back like that. So you could do, oh my goodness, that's nice. So you can use that side or you can use that side and cut them all into individual tags. They make great, see, it works really well with the scrapbooking as well. That's the little die cut sheet that you get. Around the right way. That's really pretty. See, you can make such quick and easy cards with this stuff. Right, I'm going to end up with stuff all over my table here. And there's stickers. I think that one just comes with the one sheet. One, that just has one. And that's it. Right, and that coordinates really well with there's another sheet similar to that in the scrapbook. Right, moving on, I decided to get some of this paper, woven textures, because I like it, and I wanted to use it with my little notes and totes as well. There's a whole set for this too. This is in online exclusives. I'll just get that open. And my scissors down there. And this has got some lovely images too. Let's just get that open a bit. Just wobble it a bit to get it to go. So you've got the baskety looking pieces there like that. Oh, we've got a few in there. Oh, this has got more pieces in it. Ah, got 3 of each, have we? That's different. We only usually get 2 of each. So they must have changed the way they're doing some of the papers. No, I didn't realise. Good. So that's good, because then if you want to do cards as well as a sheet of scrapbooking, you've got a bit more. Look at that one. Looks like one of those mats on the table. Just leave them there. You could use these as backgrounds too to take photos of your cards or any of your products if you're making products. I make products too. They're great background ones, aren't they? Look at that. Moist. Moist. Okay, and this is the last one. So this one goes with that stamp set I showed you a minute ago that I got it on stage. I'll just open it. Oops, I bumped the thing. Sorry about that. Oh, hi, Athena. There's Athena. I just saw that. my little box of goodies. I'm nearly done. But this is the paper that matches the stamp. Hang on, in case you came in late. Look at the stamp. Everything's piled up next to me now. These are the stamps. So this is coming in May for customers. And if you're a demonstrator, you can get them in pre-order. So pre-order for demonstrators, for everybody, every demonstrator, starts on the 25th of March. Really pretty. Really pretty. Look at that one. Oh, beautiful. That's the back. Really pretty. That's fresh freezer. Is it that one? Oh, that's nice too. Loving the colours they've used. What's that one? It's so vibrant. The colours. The flowers. Look at that. Come closer here. Should go back and do. Come closer. We might have to come closer on the way back. There we go. That's the last one. Oh no, it's not the last one. Another one. Ooh, it's green, so you could use them for, flowers or not. Which is great. Right, let's throw them all back in. I'll go closer on the ones that didn't yet. This one. And this one. Very pretty. This has got a few different colours going on, so that's handy too. You're looking for a particular colour and style. Now there was something at the bottom, hang on. So what's at the bottom? Strawberry slush and pretty in pink gems. Pretty. And let's open it so we don't get all that glare. All about. There we go. That's what you get in that packet. And they're rounded. Now they're doing a lot more of their gems, not these ones particularly, but other ones, where they're doing them flatter so that they're good for posting. These ones aren't the flatter ones, but they're still not too high. Look. They're very pretty. Pretty, pretty. They've got like little bits of gold in them. So try and get them to focus. There we go. That's better. Lovely. Well, that's it for my unboxing. Oh, there goes the road workers. They must have had their tea break. Coffee break. And they're back at it. They're picking up the road outside. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. And if you need anything, let me know. There's my details. If you just go to that website, you will find me. Ciao.